Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to get better camera control in Kling AI videos. Start with basic camera motions. Use keywords like fixed lens to keep the camera still. For movement, you can use zoom in, camera pullback, pan, or tilt. Adding words like fast can increase the speed of the motion. You can also create dynamic shots. For example, rotating lens moves the camera around the subject, while FPV, first person view, works well for drone style shots. For better results, add scene context to your prompts. Instead of only asking for movement, describe what the camera should focus on, like zoom in on her eyes or pull back to reveal the scene. This helps the AI generate more accurate motion. If colors change during the video, add muted colors to keep the color consistent. You can also combine movements, such as pull back and tilt up to reveal something in the sky, or use follow and tracking shot to move with a subject. By combining clear prompts, camera motions, and scene details, you can create more cinematic AI videos with better control. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.